Good afternoon, dear friends. Today we will talk about non-woven mulching materials, what it is, why it is needed, how to water it properly, and what is the main feature of non-woven mulch. Why is it better than other materials? Let's go. What are the mulching materials and why are they needed? Mulch is a layer of material applied to the soil surface to prevent weed growth. Soil is mulched not only to inhibit weed growth, but also to preserve soil moisture levels, maintain and improve soil characteristics, increase soil fertility and crop yields, and for aesthetic reasons, to enhance the visual appeal of the space. Here the question comes immediately to mind, and how to properly water the mulch, if the ground will be covered with it and what side to lay it. The answer is very simple. It makes no difference which side of the black material is laid. The main thing is to water with a watering can, drip irrigation, or a garden hose with a nozzle, so that the water does not accumulate in one point, but is distributed throughout the cloth. Now we know more about black mulch. What is the speciality of non-woven mulching material? Why is it better than other materials? Firstly, non-woven mulch does not fade, unlike organic mulch. Secondly, the material is not interesting to animals. Rodents usually build nests out of organic material. And also, non-woven material is better able to cope with weeds because there is no fertile layer for their rooting. It is easy and convenient to use non-woven mulch. It is only necessary to spread the material on the previously prepared soil, cleared of weeds and plant residues, and fix the edges with stakes, staples, or other improvised means. If the mulch does not have ready-made holes for planting seedlings, it is only necessary to cut them out by hand and immediately plant the plants. Then it will only be necessary to water the crop in time, apply fertilizer, and harvest the crop. And you can forget about weeding for the whole season. The material does not let light through, so weeds do not develop and do not prevent cultivated plants from getting the nutrients necessary for growth and fruiting. The structure of the fabrics is porous. AGROTEX non-woven material allows water and air to pass through. This allows watering and fertilizing to be carried out over the fabric. Moisture will be distributed evenly and will not evaporate so quickly in dry and hot weather, which makes it possible to reduce the frequency and volume of watering. The material will prevent stagnation of liquid at the roots. During heavy rains, it will draw excess water away from the crops, protect the soil from leaching and overwatering. Please note that it is necessary to protect not only the beds, but also the paths between them from weeds. To mulch the paths, use a protective strip for between the rows, made of high-density material on which you can walk. With non-woven mulch, your garden and farm will be clean and tidy. Your beds and paths will be free of weeds and dirt. By investing in covering at least one bed, farmers can significantly reduce the time and effort spent on weeding. This can lead to savings on weed control products and allow resources to be utilized more efficiently. Moreover, utilizing AGROTEX can result in an early harvest, giving farmers a competitive edge in terms of both quantity and the quality of their crops.